Guys, good evening everyone. How are you all today? See, I'm wearing this stick because I feeling cold. Today is Sunday. It's a family day. I hope everyone will be able to spend time with your family. Family is the most important. Anyway, before I'm going to sleep, I just want to ask how is everyone? How was your day going so far? I hope everyone is always healthy, out of danger, and stay safe and healthy, everyone, and careful because of what happened in the Middle East this time, especially to those who live in Middle East, that there is war. I hope everyone is safe and out of danger. Anyway, before I go to sleep, I just want to have a good night's sleep everyone. See you tomorrow. You know, I feel little sad. I miss my friend. Because yesterday I did not go out because of the, you know how many times we received the emergency alert in the morning and especially in the evening. It's I think every 20 minutes there is an emergency alert. My phone ringing because of emergency alert. That's why I choose to stay at home than to go out to avoid, to avoid, because, if you want, be careful. It's better to be safe than sorry. Because if the police will see you walking around in the road while there is an emergency alert, there is penalty also. If you don't have a valid reason why you went out, 1,000 dirham penalty. It's better to stay at home. Anyway, I miss church because I did not go to church yesterday. But I just listened to online. I hope our church have online if this war not stop. But I'm praying that I hope this war will be in soon, very soon, and will totally stop. Because the civilian, the people who's not involved with the war, they suffer together, especially the economy. We're gonna suffer poverty. We're gonna because of hunger, because of all the price of what what we need, going high price. Anyway guys, because I'm so sleepy now, I need to sleep and rest so that I can have energy for tomorrow. Good night and sweet dreams everyone. Bye.